Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. If you want to put YouTube Shorts as WhatsApp status without using any kind of link in today's video, we will be guiding you through the process. So without any delay, let's just dive right in and get started. First of all, you can head over to YouTube and open it up, and you can head over to the particular YouTube short that you want to upload as a status. So go to short section for that, and once you tap on shorts here, you will be finding different kind of shorts available that you may want to add as a WhatsApp status. So usually when we head over to YouTube, if we want to add it to our WhatsApp status, we usually tap on the share icon. And once we tap on it, we just go over and copy the link or directly tap on WhatsApp and do so. Now we do not want it as a link. So what you need to do is you need to download this particular status, like the video, the YouTube shorts that you would like to upload on your status without link. You need to download it. You can use any kind of downloader available out there. And once the video is downloaded, you can just head over, close this up, and head over and open up your WhatsApp application. Just go ahead and do so. And then once you open up your WhatsApp application, tap on it. And once you open up your WhatsApp, you can go over to the updates tab and tap on it. After you tap on it here, you will be finding option to upload your status. So go over and tap on the option of your status or tap on the plus option. And once you tap on the plus option here, you will be given an option to add up the status. So you can just go over and choose the YouTube video that you just downloaded from YouTube. And once you choose it up, you can just go over and edit out the video. Like if you want to crop out the certain part that you want to upload, you can just go ahead and do so. Even add stickers, text, or any kind of music media, such kind of thing. And once you do so, you can just go over, tap on this send option in the bottom right corner. You can even add a status before doing so, and you will be finding your status being uploaded on your WhatsApp. And that's it. So therefore, if you want to go ahead and put YouTube Shorts as WhatsApp status in without any link, this is the method you can follow up. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.